This video is to teach you how to mine vanilla finance. I will encourage you to watch it to the end, as it will reveal all that you need to do, every activity that you need to do to maximize your chances of gaining vanilla airdrop when they officially launch. Now I'll click on trade to start. Click on trade to start. So this is the first screen that you see. This is the first screen you see. They are having an upgrade, but it doesn't affect anything that I'm going to do. So I'll just confirm. All right. So now there are three buttons that you will see below this screen. You have earn, you have trade, you have friends. Now where you should focus is on earn first. Focus on earn. I'll click on earn. Okay, now when you click on earn, you will find out that you have this 50 coin per hour. Your own might actually be 0 coin per hour. That is if you are still in level 1. For someone that is in level 2 or others, your own might have increased. I'll also show you how to increase this, but this shouldn't be what will bother you for now. You just have to scroll down. Now you're going to see the activities that are here. So you are going to do these activities. You see these ones that are already ticked. This means that I've done this. Go to Cartesian, go to it, and then come back and claim. Sometimes when you go and do the task and come back, you will see verifying. So now you have to wait for it to verify the action or the task that you've done. When you now come back, you can either claim it or redo the task. If it was not verified, you redo the task. Now all these ones that are ticked are the ones that I've already done. Now you see these ones that have go, those are the ones I've not done. So you can do yours. If you've not done any one, you can do yours. Now you should try and do this beginner tutorial. This one carries 1000 coins. Try and do it. Just click on it. It will guide you on, just to show you the basic parts of this app, what it does. At the end of the tutorial, they will give you link to claim this 1000 coins. I've already done it. Now you should also focus on this daily check. Now if you click on go on this daily check, you are going to find out that you have daily rewards. These are the 2 days I've already done this. Now what it means is that you are expected to trade at least once a day. Don't worry, I'm going to also show you how to trade on the app. You are expected to trade on this app every day, at least once a day. It's not going to cost you money. I don't know for future, but now that they are in this beta mode or this airdrop season, is free. Is the coin that they have already given you that you're also using to trade. Now in the trade, you can see I have here come back tomorrow, so I'm not traded today. For your own, you can either see trade or claim. If you've already traded, you will see claim for that day. Now I will close it, so I'll show you how to trade. Now below the screen, you will see beside and you see trade. So let's go back to trade. Now in trade, I want to show you some things. Now beside this place order, by the left hand side, you have the long. Long means that you are predicting that is Bitcoin that we are predicting about, and it is on a 10 minutes interval. Within you can see the timer that is reading here. I'll also tell you what this timer means. You are predicting that within these 10 minutes that this Bitcoin is either going to go up or come down. If it's long, that means you are predicting that it will go up. If it is short, if you click on it, you see it's short and the arrow is pointing downwards. It means you are predicting that it will go down, that it will reduce in price. You can see it's manifesting on the chart, going up and down. So you predict what you expect to happen within this 10 minutes interval. Now you also, by the right hand side of this placeholder, you have 0.1 BTC. This is the amount of coin that you are going to be investing. Let's use that word because that's what they usually use on this app, investing. Now what it means is that for this 0.1 BTC, below it you're going to see cost 1.9 coin. It means that this 0.1 BTC translates to 1.9 coin. Okay, if you click on this 0.1, it will increase to 1 BTC. Let me click on it. You see it's now 1 BTC worth 18 coin. Okay, as the price is increasing or decreasing, the coin is also increasing or decreasing. Now if you click on it again, this is the highest amount you can invest. That's 5 BTC, and it amounts to 90 coin. So now that means, what it means, let me explain. What it means is that if you place this order and then within these 10 minutes it didn't go down, so you didn't make any gain, now you will lose this 80 coin. Okay, it will deduct it from your balance, the balance that you have in this account. It will be deducted. But if within these 10 minutes, it's remaining 2 minutes 47 seconds for this batch of investments to be concluded. If within this time you were able to make predict correctly, maybe you said short and then it went down, you also see it. I'll place a trade now and we'll use it to check it. Okay, so now I'm going to predict that it's going to come down. So okay, it's already on short. Let me turn to short. I'm going to put the highest money and then click on place order, and that you see that my order has been placed. You see what will happen if it's going above, nothing will be done to that amount. It's 70 here. Okay, so it's coming down, which is what I predicted, and that means it's 37. It's now increasing 57%. It's now increasing 128%. Now within this 10, what this timer means, within this period I can decide to close it. But if I don't close it and this timer finish it, it will be automatically closed for me. So wherever I was when the timer finishes, if I was in gain, they will give me my profit. If I was in loss, that's if it was going up and I said it will come down, that means I will be in loss. They will close it and I will lose the amount. That's like 70 coin that I wagered here. Let me use an illustrator to do it. Okay, now you can see here, so this has gone down 220 something percent and I have gained 155. Remember, this is what I invested 70 and I'm getting 155 now. If I close it, it will now be added to my account. But if I wait for it this timer to run down, it will be automatically closed for me. Now one thing it also does, one advantage of taking trade, why you have to take it, is if you go to N, you can see this thing that is increasing. Let me use this thing that is increasing is the more you invest, or the more you predict, the more this increases. If I do another trade, I'll just close it for this tutorial sake. If I just close it, this is 742. Okay, if I take another trade, you will see that it will increase. Now let me close this, already in profit. Let me close it. You see close is the button that is beside it. So I've closed it and it has been added to me. So it's still 742. When I take another trade, you will see. Now let me also show you, this is the total money you have here. You can see it there, the total coin. I'm just calling it money. Okay, the total coin that you have here. Okay, now let me take another trade. Let me predict that it's gone up. Let me just predict it to come down, since it sharply went up. Let me use the highest amount, place order that it will come down, and it's coming down. And my order has not even been fulfilled and it's coming down. Wow. Okay, so I've placed order. I'm waiting for it to be fulfilled so that I will show you the impact. Okay, the order has been submitted. It has not appeared, but it has been submitted. All right, so if I go to that N, if I go to N, it's still 742 because that order has not been. Okay, yeah, the order has been filled now. 742. Okay, you see it's now 872. You can see it has increased to 872. It has, see, it's now it's 7 something before, now 870. So the more trade you take, the more you increase your level. Once this thing reaches to 1000, I will move over to level 2. Let me show you level 2. Level 2 means I'll be getting 100 coin per hour when I'm online. Take note that this can only work for 3 hours. So for that 3 hours, you need to at least log in to claim the ones that you've already accumulated within your time of being offline. So that is how to place trade here, long and short trade, predicting how the market will go. Okay, I will have closed this, but it's already against me, and it's at about 130 that I invested. Okay, I'll wait for it to see if I still have time. Like this timer is the 8 minutes, so I still have time to like wait for the trade to come down as it's coming down now. Okay, I have time to wait for it. Okay, but that's just it for this tutorial. I'll wait for the later on. That's just it. That's how to mine this and trade. I didn't touch in friends. Yeah, you should also invite your friends. If you click on invite friends, it will take you to Telegram to search for who you want to send it to, or beside that invite friends, you will see this button. If you click on it, you copy your invitation link and send it to anyone on WhatsApp or Twitter or any other place you have friends, or you have someone that you like to invite to vanilla, and for each person that you invite, you'll be getting 1,000 coin. So that's how to mine vanilla. Also, if you have not joined vanilla before now, look in the description of this video. You are going to see a link to join vanilla.